day, ma'am and sir, and all employers in Hong Kong. I am Liza Z. Cornelio. I am 40 years old. I live in Barangay 4, Tanhay City, Negros Oriental, Philippines. I am single and I don't have kids. My father's name is Tomas Cornelio, deceased. My mother's name is Griselda Cornelio, 62 years old, and she is a vendor. I have only one sister. I am the older. I am a Roman Catholic. I am a high school graduate. My work experience as domestic worker in Kuwait for 2 times. My first employer for 3 years and 8 months. I served 5 members of the family. 2 adults, 3 children ages 5, 3, and infants. My second employer for 2 years and 5 months, I served 6 members of the family. 2 adults, 4 children ages 12, 7, 3, and infants.
Why do you want to work abroad or in Hong Kong?
First, Hong Kong is near in the Philippines. Second, the salary of Hong Kong is high. The third, the law of Hong Kong are equal.
Are you willing to take care of babies and children?
Yes,
About how many children do you think you can take care at a time?
3 or 4 children.
What are your duties as a babysitter?
Clean their bottles and sterilize, feed them on time, taking a bath, changes diaper, clean their clothes and their surroundings.
What are your duties as a domestic helper?
Cleaning, cooking, ironing, washing clothes, and check if they need anything or something.
Can you cook Chinese dishes? Like what?
No, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you operate electrical appliances? Like what?
Like microwave, iron, washing machine, and vacuum.
How about washing car? Do you wash car very well?
No, but I'm willing to learn.
Do you love pets? Like what?
Like dog and cats.
Most of people in Hong Kong speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn and speak the language?
Yes.
Is it okay if your holiday will not be scheduled on Saturday or Sunday?
Yes.
Do you have any experience in taking care of elderly? If yes, please elaborate your experience.
No, but I'm willing to learn.
What promises do you have for your future employer?
I promise to my employer to work hard, honest to them, and loyal. And thank you very much.